In this video, I'll show you 3 jQuery methods you'll use all the time: hide, show, and toggle. The HTML file has 3 buttons, each has an ID, and jQuery uses those IDs to select elements. Let's have a look at how this works. So when we click on show, it will show the element, which we have a div element here in the HTML file. And when we click on hide, it hides that element. So hide, show, and then toggle switches between both. So let's just unhighlight it. Now let's have a look at the code. We'll start looking at, and you notice that each button runs just one line. So let's have a look at the hide. Now hide tells jQuery to hide the elements, and jQuery handles changing the display style for you. And when we look at show, it does the opposite. It shows the element. So you don't need to remember what the previous state was. And then toggle is the smart one. jQuery first checks if the element is visible. If it is visible, it hides it. And if it's not, it shows it. So you don't really need to track visibility because jQuery will do it for you. And that's why jQuery is great for quick user interface work. Thanks for watching.